Hey, back again to new video. This is Sampath watching Sampath's FX YouTube channel, and this is the Pixel 5 Beta 4 build on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, this is the Pixel 5 build based on Android 12. As you can see, you will get this Easter egg now. If you are first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below and also allow the notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. And in this video I am going to discuss about this Android 12 Beta 4 of Pixel 5 ported ROM on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. Do watch till the end of the video so that you will get idea of complete this ROM, bugs, features and everything on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. And this is the home screen you get, and if you tap and press here you get home settings widgets. Like this you will get the widget style. This is the new Android 12 style. And coming to wallpapers and style, as you can see, if you change the wallpaper, for example this one, I will keep this one as a home screen and lock screen. Okay, wallpaper set successfully. As you can see, this is how. And in the wallpapers and colors, you will get wallpaper colors and basic colors, dark theme. If you want, you can enable or disable here. Themed icons also you can enable or disable from here. App grid also given. Let me show you. In the dark mode, the wallpaper changes like this in the ROM, and this the apps and app drawer. You can change the grid size, and this the controls, the quick settings panel, and you will get edit option here, and even the power button from here you can enable, and that's the settings panel. From here you can directly go into this settings panel. Let me disable this dark theme here, and again press and hold the wallpaper and style button. Here you can change the wallpapers. Plenty of wallpapers are pre-installed in this ROM, and basic colors. Let me choose this themed icons and I will show you once. This in beta, but still it's working fine. As you can see, these icons will be changed according to that. And this is how the home screen and everything. And coming to like settings, and one thing I want to show in the fingerprint unlock, the effect you are getting, I think you are seeing in the camera. As you can see, it's wobbling effect is going to be there when you unlock the device. The same effect will be there when you plug the charger on this smartphone after this Pixel 5 Beta 4 Android 12 build on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. This is a ported ROM, but still it's working fine in this ROM. It's really good. This is the effect I noticed first time. As you can see, if you unlock the wobbling of something, see water is wobbling effect is going to be definitely occurred in this ROM. That's really good thing you will see here, and you'll get this kind of settings here, the mic axis and even the camera axis if you open. And I am using here Nikita Gcam. It's working fine in this ROM. It's really good. As you can see, everything is working fine. Into the settings, everything is fine in this camera also. Info, as you can see, this is the Nikita Gcam version 1.1 based on 8.1.1.101. This camera app is working fine. If you want, you can use any other Gcam ports in this ROM. And coming to like Geekbench scores, it's really good. Let me show you here. As you can see, the single core performance is 477 and multi-core is 1337. It's really good. The multi-score is highest after several ROMs I am seeing in this Redmi Note 7 Pro. And coming to DRM info, L1 certification, hence you can watch all the OTT apps in Full HD resolution. And this the left swipe and the Google Pay you will get. And coming to DRM info, I already shown you. And speed test, it's also fine, no problem here and there. As you can see, even with mobile internet and even Wi-Fi, it's working fine. Even the calling, let me show you the call screen here. I'll increase this the volume panel. You will get a new thing added like OnePlus here, media volume. If you play something video, here it will be shown the media output as in the Oxygen OS, and you won't get any direct video calling feature as of now in this room, but it will be there, as you can say. And you get this kind of prompt here in the above side, and this is how the calling screen and the Google dialer. Yes, it's supported ROM, but let's see in the upcoming builds we'll get. And safety net status here, it's directly gets passed. No need to root your smartphone to pass the safety net status. If you want, you can root your smartphone after this. Also, I'm using Zomato and MyJio, Instagram, Flipkart. Many apps are working fine, no problem here. No app compatibility issues in this ROM. It's really stable, and even the smoothness in the UI is really smooth after using this ROM. Compared to other Android 12 ROMs, this is really smooth. As you've seen here, the animations, everything is working fine in this ROM. And coming to settings, you get here, you won't get any like VPN is not working as of now. Private DNS is working. That's the bug they mentioned in the changelog. And also they mentioned like when you first time boot, you will get like 5 seconds the boot animation will stop, but I did not face that bug. Check out guys what all the bugs you going to face, but I am not facing that bug. But VPN is not working, and if you want, you can enable or disable the battery percentage, and the battery life is good when you turn off the always on display, but by default the always on display is present. That will cause battery drain since we are LCD display in the Redmi Note 7 Pro. And app settings, you get all this kind of settings, and in connection devices you don't get caching devices. Do note that before flashing this ROM. If you are interested in caching devices, then don't flash this ROM. And battery settings and sound and vibration, you get everything. And the vibration and haptics is really good on this ROM. I felt like hardware improvement has been done in the vibration feedback. That much has been improved after flashing this ROM. This is really good. And the display settings, you get everything same here, nothing new or anything. The color settings is finally working here, but I did not notice any difference. Wallpaper style I already shown, and accessibility menu is also working fine. Let me show you once. Sound amplifier is also given. This is a handy feature. You can amplify your sound. As you can see, I already made a video how to amplify your smartphone. Do watch out here. That's how you can amplify in the Android 12 without using any external apps, additional apps. And security, you still get this screen lock and the fingerprint smart lock. No app lock and even the no face lock. Smart lock is given, but anyhow, this is how the Google Android 12 stable, the ported ROM from Pixel 5 to this Redmi Note 7 Pro. It's really good. You can definitely try it out as a daily driver. Yes, even though it's a ported ROM, it's still very good to use. And if I use GFX tool here, let me show you. Once I'll set smooth and default to 60 fps. If your device is supported to 90 fps, you can do, but anyhow, I'm showing in this Redmi Note 7 Pro, it's only supported 60 fps. You need to allow here. Once again it will ask, then game will be run. And coming to like game settings, as you can see, I unlocked with smooth and extreme, and even HDR extreme also you can play in this smartphone with this ROM or any other ROMs by using GFX tool. That's how the performance in this ROM is really good. I played several matches TDM, it's working fine. And this is how you can see. As you can see, this is the one more feature I want to show. You can watch in landscape mode also the recent apps. You can swipe from here. This is the new thing I noticed in this ROM. It's really good, handy feature. And even if you swipe from downwards also, these settings are good. If I were you and want a decent ROM for daily usage and the latest one, then I will definitely try this ROM over any other Android 11 ROMs. But if you want Android 10 based very good ROMs, then you can try it out the Resurrection Remix video. Here is the card. I will present the video, and the next version of that Resurrection Remix also going to be released very soon in my channel too. If you want to watch such kind of videos, do subscribe to my channel and allow the notification, and if you like the video, give it a like, and don't forget to share this kind of videos to your friends and those who have this device. And I'll be making similar kind of videos in this channel. Do subscribe down below. And this is how the ROM performance. I mentioned everything. If I forget to mention it out, do comment down below what I have forget to mention in this ROM, and how are you guys are feeling with this ROM. Do also mention that in the comment section below. That's the Android 12 Pixel 5 ported ROM for this Redmi Note 7 Pro. It's really good. You can definitely try it out. The battery life is also good if you disable the always on display. And this is all the wallpapers and cool effect. I will once again show it out. As you can see, that wobbling effect when you keep charging, also the same effect will be shown in the home screen. And this is how the ROM performance and everything in this Redmi Note 7 Pro, the Pixel 5 ported ROM beta 4 version. Still the stable version yet to be released. Once it's released, I will be making it very soon. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.